Who am I? I'm this one guy out of 7 billion. How can I, as one person, make a change? I believe that all of us can have an impact and change the world. And that's thanks to technology. Today, the internet is in danger. You see how our data is manipulated, we see how we became a product. The fact that people are not critical anymore, they're just taking all of that input for granted, is clearly not where we want to go. It's bad for kids. Our young adults, they can't keep attention anymore because they are constantly bombarded by more and more emotional triggers. It went from reading news blog to Facebook to a picture disappearing to less and less information with more heavy impact. So this internet, this free internet, which actually started as a really free, decentralized thing, is less and less becoming like that. And that's not okay, because humanity needs to evolve, and internet is a part of that. What needs to happen is that we become the center of our digital life. I think we all agree that consciousness or more awareness is the way out of this stuff we have created for ourselves, no? To me, there are 3 levels of consciousness. There is consciousness of the physical world, which has to do with pollution, the way how we deal with our energy, animal life, just the world around us. Okay, there is more the emotional awareness, which is like our self-awareness, how we as a person can improve ourselves, right? But I believe there is also digital consciousness. And this is, we actually need a new internet. An internet where we are not a product. Do you know today that less than 20 companies in the world own more than 80% of the internet capacity? The next step is we need something which makes us free. So how can we do that? There are so many communities happening today, like ourselves and others, who want to do something. And one of the first things we want to do is help those communities to become more free as well. Not just go into Facebook or into one of the other mechanisms where, again, potentially is not going to work. Now imagine that we can create an internet which we all co-own. That's important, because just creating another Google, that wouldn't make any difference, right? So how can we create a new internet which is owned by all of us? So our technology company has developed something which we call autonomous IT. And this system we call a ThreeFold. So ThreeFold is basically your digital avatar, it's you, digitally, and it lives on this neutral network of capacity. You don't need these 50 apps anymore. And it represents your full digital life. But yet still it allows us to create a new internet where we can allow anyone to expand that internet and contribute to it, so we create a new one. But we aim to empower 1 billion people with sustainable access to complementary education, internet and currencies. That sounds like a very big thing, of course. Now we've done the math. We have everything in place, starting from the internet, giving communication and even banking. To actually do this for less than $1 a month. It's called ThreeFold Connect, and that's the entry point to the system, if you want. But that app is important though, because that's the entry point to your digital life. This app has no server part. There is no database behind. There is no centralization whatsoever. This is your app on your phone, giving you access to what we're talking about. But this is only the start. Little bit by little more features will come, and allowing other people to build these experiences on top. You go to our website, you're helping us in spreading the world, because this is a non-for-profit organization which just wants this internet to happen. And we want to give this tool, the ThreeFold, to everyone to use.